Hey everybody, it's Dr. A, and I love sharing plants with you. It's just that time of year, it's spring, and there's so many things that are just so happy here. I want to show you this great ground cover. It's called Mazus. I don't even know what its common name is, M-A-Z-U-S, M-A-Z-U-S, but this is a white form. Normally it's blue, but it doesn't really matter. It is a fantastic ground cover. Now I've got some acerums or gingers growing through it because I just love putting stuff through stuff. But this is just getting bigger, getting better, and it's just so easy. It's one of these plants that just takes care of itself. So Mazus, it's called Mazus reptans, meaning creeping mazes. This is a white one, but I think I'll have just as good a time with the blue. And of course, these gingers aren't half bad. We'll talk about those down the road. All the best. Enjoy your gardening, enjoy your plants, get some ground covers, and then stick some other things right through them. All the best. Until next time, Dr. A in the garden.